Hello study family, welcome to Medicagram. I am your study panda helping you deal with not so positive thoughts and emotions that you might be experiencing during this prep phase. Welcome to Gyaan time with Medicagram, wherein you and I together shall address all these problems and develop a positive approach towards them. You have always wanted a dream goal or a dream project for which you have invested months together, slogging hard day in and out, giving it the best that you can. And as much as you feel that you are reaching towards your goal, there is always some distraction or some disturbance that just puts you off the track, making your goal run away farther from you. Have you ever been in that situation where there are so many things that just come between you and your goal and there is nothing that you can do about it? Have you ever felt the anger, the disappointment, the frustration, and most of all the helplessness? Being a mere puppet in this world where you do not know what is going on and how on earth can you still work towards your goal? As much as you're desperate to achieve that goal, the more farther it is running away. And there's nothing that you can do to stop it. All doors seem closed. And during that phase, there is one unanimous emotion that we've always felt. Helplessness. And this helplessness can be extremely heart-wrenching, and there is nothing that you can do about it, and you do not know what to do about it. During such situations, you do not know if you'll be able to survive anymore, continue anymore in the field, slog any harder, or is there any amount of sanity left within you to fight for your goals or your dreams? During such times, I will only say one thing. During such times, pray. No, I am not being an orthodox person. I am not trying you to be religious or anything. And even for an atheist, just pray. You do not have to believe in a certain form of God or a religion to pray. You just need to pray to the universe or whichever higher form that you believe in. Pray. Pray and let go all the fears that you have in your mind. Give all the burdens and the responsibilities to that higher power. Ask Him to help you through this. It doesn't matter what form of higher power are you referring to. Just pray, hoping and praying that things will get better. Start believing that things will get better. You know what the magic of prayer is? When you pray, you believe that there's some form of higher energy that is going to take care of anything. The things that are not in your control are still in the control of the higher energy. You know that you do not have to find solutions of every problem that is in front of you. There are a few problems that probably the higher energy would help you with. Probably He knows the best for you. Probably He'll just help you out with all. And all these probabilities create a possibility for new doors to open up. You start seeing ways and opportunities or a new door which probably haven't noticed till now. And you start thinking of options or calculating your decisions based on these new probabilities. You start to look towards things in a new perspective, knowing that there is someone with you holding your hand during this tough time. It doesn't matter if you cannot see Him or feel Him. All you have to know that there is a higher power. You do not have to know who that power is. All you have to know is that there is a power within your soul that is connected to the higher power, which is always guiding you, and that is your intuition. Just trust your intuition, meditate and listen to your intuition. This may sound a bit philosophical, but probably this is the best thing that can help you during these tough times. This is a thing that may help you see a little silver lining during your darkest phase in life. This little thread of hope will give you the reason to keep hanging around and keep fighting for your dreams and for your goals. And there is one more thing that I want to tell you. No matter what the world is trying to do, no matter how bad the universe or the world around you is conspiring against you, no matter how many blockages are there between you and your goal, what's meant to be yours will always find a way. Sooner or later, you will achieve your dream. The only thing that will speeden up this process is you yourself, your faith in yourself, your faith in the higher universe. You know what this higher universe is? It's your higher conscious mind, your intuition that will always guide you towards your right path. Do not worry, just stay focused. Let go the things that you cannot control. Leave it to the higher universe that will take care of everything. Do not at all worry, and most of all, please do not give up. I understand the emotions that you are going through, because at the moment I am also the one of them who's undergoing all these emotions, and I know it takes a lot of toll on your mental health. Hence, I'm asking you to pray. You do not have to chant or do some ritual or anything. Just talk to your higher universe or your God as if you're talking to your friend. Just vent out everything that is in your mind to Him. You do not even have to open your mouth to say. Just say in the conscious mind. It will reach to Him. Just vent out everything that you want to do. Every emotion or every thought that is troubling you. Just vent out everything. And after that, have a faith that He is going to take care of everything. And most of all, what's yours will always find a way. I hope this helps you. Lots of love, Medicagram.